Want to replace your tumble dryer's module? With these steps, you'll have it fixed in no time. What do you need? A flathead screwdriver, a screwdriver, and a new module. Step 1. Remove the top of the tumble dryer. Loosen the screws on the back. Then remove the top panel. After this, loosen the screws of the top control panel. Remove the water tray and loosen the screws at the front. Step 2. Take out the old module. The module is behind the control panel. Remove the control panel and disconnect the cable. Loosen the screws located at the back of the panel. Then take off the back of the module and carefully disconnect it by unplugging the cable. Step 3. Insert the new module. Reconnect the cable to the new module. Put it in the place of the old module. Push the back on securely and screw the screws back in. Reconnect the control panel cable. Step 4. Place back the top. First screw down the control panel at the front and put back the water tank. After this, put the screws on top back in. Then put the top plate back on and fasten it to the back. You have replaced a module and the tumble dryer is ready to use again.